What's up guys, Clay with EKNIVES.com. I've got a beautiful piece right here from Marfione Custom Knives and Sean Marfione. It's a Sean Marfione design. It's called the Protocol. It debuted at the Blade Show 2019 this year. Really cool design by Sean. This one has a mirror polished drop point blade, like only Marfione can do. The polish on that is insane. You can shave in it. Blue tie hardware pivot collar, carbon fiber handle, titanium blasted bolsters, M390 steel. I got this one from the 2019 California Custom Knife Show last weekend. This is the only one I've seen here lately. I had a few right after Blade Show, but I haven't seen it since. So cool little flipper, and it's just got great action on it. Great design by Sean. So this is the Protocol, and it's a Marfione custom creation. As with all Marfione customs, you get the metal COA plate, date of birth, carbon fiber style magnetic box, padded pouch, titanium dagger logo, titanium dagger zipper pulls, and you get a Marfione logo cleaning cloth. So all that comes with it. EKNIVES.com. Call or text me 423-525-9477, and you can email me Clayton@eknives.com. Thanks so much guys.